Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft PowerToys if it's not working properly on your Windows computer. Whether a specific utility isn't responding, shortcuts have stopped working, or the application isn't behaving as expected, there are several easy fixes you can try. So let's get started. First, restart Microsoft PowerToys completely. Right-click the PowerToys icon in the system tray and choose Exit, then launch the application again from the Start menu. If that doesn't help, restart your computer to clear any temporary system glitches that may be affecting the app. Next, open Microsoft PowerToys and check that the feature you're trying to use is actually enabled. Select the utility from the menu on the left and make sure its toggle is turned on. Yeah, sometimes a tool may be disabled after an update or a settings change. If the problem continues, check for updates by opening the General section and selecting Check for Updates. Installing the latest version can fix known bugs and improve compatibility with the newest Windows updates. Keeping both Windows and PowerToys up to date is always a good idea. You should also verify that your keyboard shortcuts don't conflict with other applications. Some third-party programs may use the same shortcuts, preventing PowerToys features from working correctly. If needed, change the shortcut in the PowerToys settings and test it again. If none of these solutions work, uninstall Microsoft PowerToys and install the latest version from the official source. A clean installation can replace corrupted files and restore all features to their default state, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Microsoft PowerToys when it's not working properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.